My name is Lance Moronic. I'm the Health and Safety Manager for Spilak Tank Truck Services here in Slave Lake, Alberta, Canada. We are a medium-sized trucking company. We have approximately 57 power units, about 77% of those outfitted with Titan GPS and camera systems. With the Titan GPS, it's a one-stop solution for us where it ties into our GPS. The camera systems are on the same dashboard. With that, we can review, like on our trucks, we have up to 3 cameras, one forward facing and one on each side of the truck on the mirrors pointing backwards. The solution provided by Titan GPS is very ease of use, and I'm not having to go from website to website to retrieve data that I need. We use it for driver coaching and mentoring, and we've cut our insurance loss and prep time, probably by 80%. This does give us that backup to say, yes, our driver was on the right side of the road. Our driver tried to avoid. Third party came into our lane and pictures are worth 1,000 words and a video is worth 1,000,000. And that's why I went with the Titan GPS system, is because it met all my check boxes. It provided me with a readily available review system, or I can pull the SD card and see more data that way. So, I have a variety of methods to look at things. We had a rollover last March. We got word of that rollover. I was able to log on to the camera, and instantaneously, because the ignition was on, I could see truck position visually and confirm, yeah, our truck is in crisis. And we have it positioned in such a way that we can actually see the driver in the window. I can check to make sure he's in proper position, he's wearing a seatbelt, and that's really all I need to worry about. Support and customer service have been great. We call in, or my techs call in, they're very quick to responding and get back on the phone and help us. It's helped reduce our insurance costs. It gives us better focus and better vision. It's another training tool and asset for our drivers. The dollars put out were recovered very quickly, and at-fault and claims dropped off significantly. The pricing has been very good. If I have a feature request for giving me hard braking or hard accelerations or hard left, hard right turns, it was very easy for them to turn those features on for us. I've been more than happy to recommend them to other companies in our area, and I've known several companies who transitioned here very recently and are quite happy with it.